17.4% raise to the Social Security benefits in 2023. Boost to the Social Security payments. Yes, you heard it right. It's a rare moment when policy meets the real lives. What's going on, guys? This is Kedar here. Today in this video, I have got some fantastic news that could significantly impact millions and millions of lives. Today, I'll be unpacking the exciting prospect of 17.4% back pay raise to the Social Security beneficiaries in the year 2023. Yes, you heard it right. This year, what? 17.4% raise in your benefits. Yes, that's about to come knocking on your doorstep. Nearly 70 million beneficiaries. Yes, we are talking about the benefit raise, benefit increase, and it's whopping 17.4%. We are talking about the folks who are part of the Social Security, those including people receiving retirement, disability, SSDI benefits, survivors, SSI, even VA beneficiaries. Yes, you heard it right. A double digit increase, which could make a substantial difference in the lives of millions and millions of beneficiaries. I'm really excited to show you all the details. So without further ado, let's jump right into all the details. However, guys, before we start, make sure to hit that like, share this video if you're new here, subscribe to our channel if you haven't did already. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, guys, here is why this thing matters a lot. Now, beyond the numbers, I'm genuinely excited about this recent developments, and it's definitely not every day that we witness an initiative that could provide such a kind of a double-digit boost to the financial well-being of significant number of people. Now, this isn't just about the numbers, how much increase, but it's about making a positive impact onto the lives of those people who rely on the Social Security as their monthly benefits. Now, let's check it out the details. First, we need to check out the current affairs. Now, before we deep dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me remind you something that we are all aware of. This is the rapidly changing landscape of the legislative decisions. There are tons and tons of legislative decisions going on, lots of proposals, lots of packages, and it's like a whirlpool. But don't worry, I've got all the details when it comes down to the latest update on Social Security benefits increases. My goal is to keep you well informed about all the details, your monthly benefits, your increases, raises to your benefits, ensuring you get all the up-to-date information, latest information. Now let's talk about the backstory that sets the stage for the remarkable proposal. Alright, guys, let's explore the details. Let's talk about some of the backstory that let's talk about the backstory that sets the stage for this remarkable proposal. Now, back in the year 2022, a year that we saw inflation soaring to a new height, the effects of the inflation haven't faded away in 2023, and it's more like the inflation is taking breather, and it's a fantastic piece, and it's more like inflation taking a breather from its pan, and it's more like inflation is taking breather from its frantic piece last year. Now imagine a roller coaster as it slowly descends after a thrilling climb, but you could imagine it as a roller coaster slowly descending after a thrilling climb. But here's the thing, it's not that the prices are necessarily coming down. Instead, inflation isn't surging forward as it did a year ago. Talking about the current COLA boost, well, let's zoom into the present details. A resound astronomical 8.7% increase is what known as the cost of living adjustment for the year 2023. You have probably already heard about it, but here is the thing, here is the twist comes in. Some folks believe that this increase should have been even more substantial than 8.7%. Now imagine this, 8.7% as a stepping stone, a piece of a puzzle that fits into a much into a much grander scale of a picture. And that's where a next compelling argument goes like this. What if this year's COLA wasn't just 8.7% but even much bigger than that? Yes, we are talking about some larger two-digit figure, 17.4%, double of the last year's COLA increases, double the impact and double the benefits. The reason behind this is quite solid. For those group of people living on a fixed incomes, the cost of necessities like housing, food, healthcare have seen a much more significant increases, much much more surge than the 8.7% bump. And that's where the suggestion of the back pay is a way to make things fair for those who might need and have hit harder by the inflation. So what's coming ahead in the year 2024? What's next? Brace yourself for some future gazing. The projections for the 2024 COLA. If you have checked out my previous videos, the 2024 COLA stands somewhere between 2.5% to 3.5%. Now imagine this, combining the 8.7% that was missed this year with the projected COLA for the next year. It's like adding a splash of fuel to fire, creating a blaze of increased benefits for the year 2024. It's all about catching up and making things right for the beneficiaries. Now let's connect the dots over here. Take the 8.7% COLA which was left onto the table this year and add it to the COLA projected for the 2024. Now you could imagine this as a building that bridges between what should have been and what could be. It's like going back in time to rectify what might have been missed opportunity, and that's the essence of the back pay, a financial remedy that brings a balance and equity. Now I know proposals and bills and packages like this can't be without skepticism, so let's address the skepticism which arises naturally from this one. We have seen many promises before, not all of them came to the fruition. However guys, the adjustment to the Medicare Part B premiums, despite the doubts, that promises was met with a partial reduction in the premiums, and it's a testament to the potential for the change when the right pressure is applied. To understand the grand scheme of the things, we need to take a look at the bigger picture. Now this proposal isn't just about the one-time benefits. The COLA adjustment, you could see the cost of living adjustment, the COLA adjustment, those increases are permanent, providing a long-lasting impact to the beneficiaries of the low-income, fixed-income, social security beneficiaries. Even as we navigate through the uncertainties, this shines as a ray of hope, offering a real financial relief for those who need it the most. Picture this, a substantial 17.4% increase that is poised to breathe new life into the social security beneficiaries. We are not just talking about the small group right over here, we are talking about a staggering 70 million individuals, those who rely on the benefits managed by Social Security Administration. Brace yourself, because this truly unlocks a door to the fascinating concept that holds promises for the brighter financial future. Honestly, on a paper, it's about something truly bigger, something that resonates with me on a personal level. This proposal represents a powerful step towards uplifting the lives of countless individuals who depend on these benefits to make their end meet. It's a rare moment when policy meets the real lives, and it's something that I wholeheartedly support. In grand scheme of the things, 17.4% increase is a promising news for millions of beneficiaries, as it demonstrates recognition of the struggles they have been facing and a step towards elevating their financial burden, whether through a retroactive pay or other mechanism. It's heartening to see efforts are being made up to prioritize their well-being for the 70 million Social Security beneficiaries. So definitely stay tuned for more of such latest updates on Social Security benefit raises, increases. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.